Iredell with Iredell Statesville Schools, Statesville, North Carolina. Director of maintenance there. Our district is very diverse. It's all kinds of demographics, so we have a large variety. We use department performance, we use team performance, we use capital reporting. It has come in to where it makes a big impact whenever I have to go to board meetings and I have to drill out specific things that the boards want to hear as far as money-wise. We was able to get 4 new employees by showing the demand and the resources that we needed and that we didn't have. The interactive mapping on it is probably, between it and the capital forecast, is probably the best 2 options that I use personally. Because somebody can call me and ask me, say, hey, do you remember where this is? I can pull it up on that map and tell them exactly what room to go to. They know where every fire extinguisher is, they know where every riser is. You don't have a company coming in, bugging the principal, so to speak, trying to figure out where's this and where's that. They have this ability to look at it and they can walk straight to it. Plumbing contractors, heat and air contractors that come in from outside of the district and they need to know where these things are, I can give them access and it do the same thing for them. Since we adopted FMX, the ability for my board and my superintendent to see the value of my guys and to see what they are actually worth and what they are actually producing, that is the biggest impact that it has had. So I love it. If you don't have FMX, first thing I would do is get on there and play with it and just see how, even if you do 1 or 2 schools, just to see how efficient it'll turn your guys into getting work orders, and then everybody's accountable from the moment the work order is presented all the way till it's resolved. So just try it out.